Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm sharing about Instant Canopy Sidewalls by Acepic. It's easy to install and it blocks 99% of UV sun rays. It's ideal for wide range of outdoor events and it offers a comfortable and protected space for you and your guests. And it comes in different colors too. So if you're looking for something to cover your canopy and have it like a more protected and private space, this would definitely be a best choice for it. Hope this video was useful. Keep watching.